10-4, they're approaching me in the driveway. Hey, what's going on with the baby? Okay, let me see. Okay, calm down. Let me see the baby. Hold on, let me see. Okay, hold on. Let me see the baby.
Please.
Hold on.
Oh, please. Where's the emergency, please?
Hold on. Let me see the baby. He's still blinking. He's blinking. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Yes, there you go. Okay. He's crying. Okay. He's crying. Hey, it's okay. He's crying. He's okay. He's crying. David 10, baby's crying. You okay? Okay.
She okay? She's breathing?
Yep. She? Yeah, she's breathing. She was crying a minute ago. Okay? Alright. Okay, yep, she's okay. Alright.
Okay.
Yep, I can feel, she's got a pulse and she's breathing, okay?
Yeah, she's fine.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. She's okay. Alright.
How old?
How old is she?
A few days.
A few days? 2 weeks? Okay.
One person.
Okay.
Okay? You can't understand when everybody's talking.
Okay. Okay.
I'll talk to Dad. You relax. Okay?
Okay. Yep, that's okay. This is Mom. Baby's breathing, has a pulse, and she was crying a minute ago.
Okay.
So, we gave her a couple of back blows, and she started crying. I don't know if,
Hey, give me a second, please.
It's gonna be okay. Alright? Okay.
You're close to her. You're close to her. So we're gonna figure that out.
You gotta run us through what happened. When did the baby stop breathing?
Look.
Okay.
She's choking.
She'll start choking on the milk?
Yes.
Okay. Maybe she might have got some of that in her lungs maybe a little bit, but she's breathing now.
Can I go with her, please?
Well, just hold on. Just let them work on her. Make sure she's a stabilizer for